Hi, this is Linux Cool Dude. We just got in the Canon XF100, so we're gonna go ahead and do a unboxing video. There's a few things going on with some of the consumer electronics right now. Of course, we're talking about Japan with the earthquakes, tsunami, radiation and things like that. So that was kind of affected. In fact, a lot of the camcorders, professional camcorders I was looking at, you couldn't order anywhere. Of course, I spent most of my time doing research, reviews, and things like that. But when it came to actually ordering, most of them were either back ordered, not available, or other things. Of course, this came from a company called Tapeworks Texas, which is actually in Houston, Texas. Woohoo! And so they had one available. They said Canon wasn't affected as much, but it was still hard to find this model of camcorder. So it turns out, well, since it's located in Texas, then I would get charged sales tax, but the state of Texas has this neat thing where if you use it for video production, of course this excludes wedding videos, you do get tax exemption. So I wasn't charged sales tax on this, which was, I believe, $265. So, yay again. So, now unfortunately, I don't have the compact flash drives in. Those are ordered separately. Should take a few more days. Let's go ahead and start, so we can get this done. And doing this left-handed, so it's kind of, or not left-handed, but it's probably a box within a box more than likely. So yeah, got the it's like a box within a box, I guess. Of course, not really much to see, just a plain Canon right here, Canon box. And it looks like a pretty thick book. Instruction manual, but who really reads instruction manuals these days? Now, it comes in probably different languages, so that's probably why it's so big. Of course, they do have it as a PDF file online, so I've actually already downloaded it. So, okay, there's a bunch of accessories. It looks like. Oh, I'm not gonna mess all this up. Okay, it looks like a composite cable that you, red, blue, green type monitors if you have one of those. Okay, here's the shoulder strap. Actually, I might, tell you what, I might actually take them out of the plastic so you guys can see it a little bit better. It's actually a pretty thick padded strap here. And this is kind of nice. This is the Canon battery, which is actually intelligent. You can actually push this button and it'll tell you, oh wow, it's on 1. But this battery is very unique because it actually lasts like 3 to 4 hours. You know, most batteries you get, camcorders, only last about like an hour and a half. They give you this small size. So this is a pretty decent battery, so I'm happy with that. And it looks like they give you a standalone battery recharger, which is actually quite big. It's actually pretty huge. I don't know why they give you such a big one. So you don't have to recharge it inside the camcorder. Okay, it looks like the power cable for the battery recharger, and maybe even the adapter that comes with it. Maybe we'll see that in just a while. And I ain't entirely sure what this is, to tell you the truth. I bet you it hooks up into the battery recharger, and maybe it goes, maybe that's what you recharge it with. I'm not 100% sure. I'll look it up later. And I bet you it does hook up, yeah, to the battery charger. This is probably what you also use to run the camcorder itself for power, I'm guessing. Okay, this is the lens hood. If you're outside in a bright sunny day, it's very good to use this right here. It looks like it's got a screw lock on it, so once you get it attached on there, it won't come off. And of course it's got the wireless remote, like a lot of them do, the high-end camcorders. And of course it's got the battery. And I think we're up to level 2. And it looks like it's got more things in here somewhere. Oh, well, obviously got like screws and stuff in here. Let me go ahead and show you this first. This is the mic holder, I believe. If I can get it open. It's probably most likely for shotgun mount, which is pretty common with camcorders. Which are great for, some are actually directional. And I'll probably show you how that goes on there. Obviously it came with, I think, some mounting screws. I'm not 100% sure on that. And here's the Canon XF100 right here. As you can see, it's actually a pretty small size. Let me go ahead and show you all the sides here. Of course, XLR. I'll probably go all these features later once I have a chance to use it. And of course, here's the front shot lens cap. Microphone right here. Okay, right here. Okay, let me open the... Okay, here's the inside of it here. Hopefully, I'm sorry the light's not too good. And actually, I should show you that shot. And I'll show you the, I think I kind of already showed you that. Okay, right here. I think there's a panel underneath here. Can't really see it. HDMI. Right. Actually, it looks like a full HDMI cable. You don't have to use an HDMI mini, so it's a little bit easier, I guess. Right here. I think I showed you everything. Oh, and the top. The top actually got quite a bit of things on here too. I'll try to zoom it back. You can see some cold shoes and attachments. And we missed one more thing. And here's the audio portion right here. It's got the lid on here. Okay, that was pretty much the unboxing. I'll probably, within a week or two, I'll go over a more thorough video. And eventually I'm going to show you some video off of it. And we'll go from there. Okay. Remember, watch Tearbox Live.